Mastering personal protective equipment. Ignoring regular PPE compliance checks is a deadly gamble with workers' lives. Why are regular PPE compliance checks essential to ensuring a safe working environment and adherence to operational excellence standards, and are they conducted frequently to guarantee personnel are properly protected? Regular PPE compliance checks are essential to ensuring a safe working environment and adherence to operational excellence standards. These checks are crucial to guarantee that personnel are properly protected from hazards, preventing injuries and illnesses, and promoting a culture of safety and accountability. Conducting frequent PPE compliance checks ensures that personal protective equipment is functioning correctly, properly fitted, and worn correctly. This is critical as PPE is the last line of defense against hazards, and any malfunction or improper use can lead to serious consequences. For instance, a faulty respirator or improperly fitted hard hat can put workers at risk of respiratory problems or head injuries, respectively. Regular compliance checks also ensure that PPE is properly maintained, cleaned, and stored. This prevents contamination, damage, or degradation of the equipment, which can compromise its effectiveness. For example, a dirty or damaged face shield can impair visibility, increasing the risk of accidents, while a contaminated respirator can spread diseases. Furthermore, frequent PPE compliance checks help identify and address any gaps in training or understanding among personnel. This is particularly important for new employees or those new to a specific task, as they may not be familiar with the correct procedures for donning, doffing, and using PPE. Conducting regular checks enables supervisors and safety professionals to provide targeted training and guidance, ensuring that all personnel are competent and confident in their use of PPE. In addition, regular compliance checks demonstrate a commitment to operational excellence by ensuring that PPE is compatible with the work environment and task requirements. This includes verifying that PPE is suitable for the specific hazards present, such as chemical resistance, flame retardancy, or high visibility requirements. This attention to detail helps prevent accidents and near misses, reducing the likelihood of injuries, illnesses, and fatalities. Regular PPE compliance checks also facilitate compliance with regulatory requirements and industry standards. Organizations can avoid fines, penalties, and reputational damage by ensuring that their PPE programs meet or exceed regulatory and industry benchmarks. This includes compliance with standards such as OSHA's 29 CFR 1910-132, which outlines general requirements for PPE, as well as industry-specific standards like ANSI/ASAO 121-2018 for occupational and educational eye and face protection. Moreover, conducting frequent PPE compliance checks fosters a culture of safety and accountability within an organization. It demonstrates a commitment to the well-being and protection of personnel, promoting a positive safety culture and encouraging workers to take an active role in their own safety and the safety of their colleagues. Finally, regular compliance checks provide valuable data and insights for continuous improvement. By tracking and analyzing PPE compliance data, organizations can identify trends, patterns, and areas for improvement, enabling them to refine their PPE programs and make data-driven decisions to optimize their safety strategies. In conclusion, regular PPE compliance checks are essential to ensuring a safe working environment and adherence to operational excellence standards. By conducting frequent checks, organizations can guarantee that personnel are properly protected, prevent injuries and illnesses, and promote a culture of safety and accountability.